Hello everyone. Today, we will be discussing ionizers that eliminate static electricity. Ionizers are devices that ionize the air to remove static electricity. Many of them create ions to remove static, and they are often called ionizer with air blow. The methods for generating wind primarily come in two types, the fan method and the air blow method using compressed air. However, did you know that this air can cause many problems at a site? Case 1. Blowing dust. A typical manufacturing site is said to have a cleanliness level of class 100,000, which means there are about 100,000 tiny dust particles floating in a space of about 30 cubic centimeters. Therefore, even if the static is removed by the ions of an air purifier, the flowing air from the fan or air blower can also circulate surrounding dust, ultimately leading to defects due to foreign matter adhesion. Let's actually confirm the movement of dust through experimentation. As you can see, the floating dust is drawn in by the fan and ends up being blown around. From the above, I hope you can understand that ionizers with fans are harmful in the manufacturing process. Case 2. Promoting soldering defects. An ionizer with air blow is not recommended for the soldering process. Due to the miniaturization of electronic components, the amount of soldering has decreased, leading to soldering irons with smaller heat capacities. When wind hits electronic components or soldering irons with reduced heat capacity, they cool down quickly, which can easily lead to soldering defects. Case 3. Workers catching a cold. Furthermore, the circulating air from an ionizer can act like a winter fan, and there have been cases where employees catch a cold because of it. The problems with ionizers with fans are 1. Blowing dust around. 2. Promoting soldering defects. 3. Workers catching colds. As discussed above, the circulating air from ionizers brings about various issues in the workplace.
What? Is it true?
It is true.